Hello there, my name is Alex Ortiz. I am a student from the English Language Teaching Program at Universidad de la Amazonia. Today I did a documentary analysis from a national law that promotes the use of ICTs in education. This law is the Law 1450 from 2011. It's also named the Plan Nacional de Desarrollo by Juan Manuel Santos from 2010 to 2014. So here we have the document, the law. In the page 118, here we have the competence for the appropriate for strengthening the use and appropriation of the ICTs in and bilingualism. And here we have the analysis, the document analysis. The title is the Law 1450 from 2011. The type of document is a law and a project too. Who issued it? The President Juan Manuel Santos. The date is 2011. And the main purpose of the law is to foster the appropriate use of ICTs to enhance the use of English as a second language through transversal developments of the content. The national government must strengthen the infrastructure, building technological centers, providing innovative resources for being used by the teachers and students as well. Is there any explicit definition of ICTs? In the document, there is no explicit definition of ICTs. It's just in the glossary that it is mentioned ICT as information and communication technologies. If not, what can be inferred about their understanding of ICTs? In the document, I have a citation of the document, from the document. Se consolidarán los proyectos de investigación que incluyan metodologías flexibles y el uso de las TIC, tecnologías de información y comunicación en las regiones adelantados, por ejemplo, por distintos nodos de la red Renata. It means that the national governments will support the implementation of technology in education. The term is not defined directly, but this term is commonly known by many people that the national government assume that the term doesn't need to be defined, but it can be inferred and people have no problem to know it. Who of these stakeholders are explicitly mentioned and what are their roles? The universities. Yes, it is mentioned in the document. It said that the institution of superior education has to use ICTs in order to improve the English level by the students. The students must achieve a B1 level through the use of ICTs. The teachers, yes, the teachers are mentioned in the document. It said that the teacher has to be well trained in the use of ICTs. And the students are mentioned. They have to use ICTs in order to improve their English performance and English proficiency. The national organizations, Red Renata and CERES. These are some organizations that improve the infrastructure of the institutions and and help some areas to get a better infrastructure by using ICTs. So, what is the relevance of the document for the research proposal? I think that it's important to note the support that the national government and how it fosters the use of ICTs in educational environments. I consider for this reason it is relevant for the research proposal because the investigation must be developed keeping the national law so far. Okay, this is all. Thanks for your attention. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.